Hey everybody, it's your girl. What's up? Okay, so listen, today I'm going to do a quick tutorial. Have you all heard the rage about the little mini totes? I'm going to put a link in the description box. Since I had read that this morning and it just basically sparked my attention for a mini tote. So I said, okay, well let me see how I can do this minty tote, child. I mean, it's all the big rage, I guess, right now in fashion, the mini tote. So I cut a piece of vinyl fabric, and the fabric is cut at 7 by 10. All right, and we're gonna fold it in half, and I'm actually gonna fold it like this, right sides together. And I am going to do 1/2 inch on each side. Let's see, I'm trying to, hopefully I have this all straight, because you know it's vinyl, so I don't plan on. Let's see. So I'm going to just stitch it on both sides. Okay, now that I've sewn it on each side, we're going to just cut close to the seam allowance. Trim that extra fabric off. Like so. And you know what? Let's box the corners, okay? Just a small box. Let's see. Let's do about, you know what? Let me get my, have this little mini. Okay, this is cool. Take it in about, I think that's a 1/2 inch. Let's do a 1/2 inch. Take a marker. I'm gonna use a fabric marker. I mean a fabric marker, a Sharpie. Do the same thing on the other side. Alright, usually you can put a pin in it, but what I'm gonna do is just sew across there. So now I've stitched, so now I'm going to cut. And you could put a lining in these if you like. I just didn't put a lining in mine. It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. So let's turn it over. If you want to, you could put a snap, or either you could put a piece that come down and put a snap on it. You know what I'm saying? You could drop you a lining in there. If you like, you could fold it down, around. But we're going to do the straps now. So these are just really cute. You can do whatever you want to. But you put a snap on there. Let's see. So how I want my handles. Those are cute. That's really cute. I think that's cute. Okay, so I need to, I was thinking about actually folding them in half. I don't know if this handle is too long, but you could actually do your handles whatever size you want to. Let me, this is 2 inch, I'm sorry. Let's see, it's 1. Actually, it's almost 2 inches. It's almost 2 inches, okay? And the length of it is 20. You know what? Let's make that, let's get out a little more room. Let's go 2. Okay, so what that means is I'm going to start stitching here all the way down. So let's make it 2. Let's make that 2 inches. Remember, you know how I do it. I see something and I start making it. And I'm like, okay, let's see what happens. Same thing it is. You're just repeating the step. I'm sorry, I'm not even in frame. I'm going in. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm going in 2 inches to put my pen. Wasn't in frame on that. Sorry about that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just hold this and stitch down like that. I was going to put a piece of cord in there, but I decided not to do that. Okay, so we're going to start where the pen is. And remember to remove your pen. Let me put this. See, I think Okay, y'all, my other camera went dead. Sorry about that, but I hope, you know, I had to use this camera instead. So, okay. So now I've sewn both straps together. So we just can cut off the excess threads. Okay. So now we're just gonna put it on here. Like I said, you could do a little strap, you know, something to close it. You could put a zipper. We could have put a zipper in there, a little small zipper. You know, they're just little pouches. I don't even know. We could have probably put a closure, some kind of closure. I don't know. If you wanted to, we could have probably used this. Stitched it on the outside and use that for a closure, or perhaps we could have done a wider closure, which I thought would have probably been cute too, right? Okay, so anyway, let's hurry up. Okay, so this is not to be, you know, and look, my straps might be too long for it, but you can always shorten your straps, because if it's a mini tote, it probably need to be little short straps like this, okay? I have given you some humongous straps on here. This is not funny, but you know, you might want to put yours around your arm. Listen, we could do what we want to do. So anyway, we're gonna line this up here like this, like so, and I'm gonna put it here. You know, we might want to put ours over our, under our arms. Who said we can do whatever we want to. This is fashion. You don't have to do it like everybody else. You could do your own thing, you know? And that's what I like about. That's cute. I think it's cute. From this side seam, let's see, about a little over a ½ inch. I mean, yeah, a little over a ½ inch. Let's see on this side. Same thing here, little over a ½ inch. So now what I'm going to do is just stitch here, and I'm going to repeat that to the other side. Thank you for watching my quick mini tote tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscription button now and tell someone. All right, I try to mix it up, a little craft and a little sewing. All right, until next time, happy crafting.
Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited.